In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Microsoft Outlook. If you want the name shown on your Outlook account to be updated, the process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. This change is managed through your Microsoft account settings, so you won't be editing it directly inside an email message. Let's begin. First, open your Outlook email inbox in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Starting from the inbox is helpful because it gives you quick access to your account profile and the settings connected to your Microsoft account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is the small account picture or initials that represent your account. Selecting that profile menu opens up account-related options, including the one you'll need for this change. From that menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This will take you away from the inbox and into the broader account management area for your Microsoft profile. That's important because your display name is tied to your Microsoft account identity, not just the Outlook mailbox interface. When the Microsoft account page opens, go to the left-hand column and click on your info. This section contains your personal account details, including the name currently associated with your profile. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, since account settings pages can sometimes be a little slower than the inbox. Next, find the full name section below your profile picture settings and click Edit Name. This is the option that allows you to update the name displayed on your account. If you've been looking for where to change the display name in Outlook specifically, this is the exact place where that update happens. You'll now see fields for your first name and last name. Enter the name you want to use in the respective fields. Take a moment to check the spelling carefully before continuing, especially if this is the name people will see when you send emails or interact across Microsoft services. After entering the updated first and last name, click Save. Once you do that, your changes will be submitted and your account name will be updated. Keep in mind that sometimes the new display name may not appear everywhere instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft services. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in later. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name in Microsoft Outlook.